Miggy? Facing daw ang cast. Facing saan? Okay, hindi tatayo ang cast, ang audience.
Seated po.
Saan naharap ang cast? Harap doon. Sabi ko nga harap
George pala.
Tapos pag ganon, sita ang audience. Who has the camera? Who's taking the photo?
Sasa girl.
Ayan, we are showing you again the digital poster po na
Asan ba si Mama?
sige, hindi na tayo mag-take ng photo ha. Ilaos na muna natin itong group photo na to. Sige, let's form a straight line, facing the big screen. Dahil ang camera will be positioned dun po sa big screen. Who has the camera? Saan sila titingin, Mimi?
Si Dusty.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, tingnan din tayo ha. Meron tayong mga digital team ng Regal. Ngayon pa lang po, maraming salamat kasi pinapakita niyong suporta sa SRR Evil Origins. As sabi nga po nila, the lone horror movie sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Thank you sa pagmamahal. Marami po tayong magaganap ng mga on-ground events na sana andyan pa rin kayo ng support. Yan ang po natin mga habang kumukuha po ng photo ang ating mga photographers, videographers, I would like to thank our official venue for today, Gateway Mall. Thank you so much. Dr. Alvin, thank you. Bench, thank you so much. Caroline, thank you. Vita Carotene and Randy's Donuts. John Lee, thank you so much for the help for our Lutats. Thank you, John Lee. Of course, so again, thank you. The cast will have to stay. The press now, iparating ko ng pasasalamat ng Mr. Sel and Sir Keith and the rest of the team. Ito na nga po we will show you again the digital poster. Moving ba ito, Nikki? This is a moving poster. Please watch this. Every era. Wow. Of course, you are now seeing the official poster of Evil Origins. Shake, rattle, and roll. Can we turn the lights on now? Okay, everyone now is requested to vacate the cinema. Medyo nag-overtime tayo, but please, stay put po ang cast kasi mag-shoot na po ang ating official partner, media partner, which is Pep. Si Peppa will have the... Gorgeous grand cast member ng SRR Evil Origins. Can we turn the lights on now so we can see the beautiful faces of our cast members of Shake, Rattle, and Roll Evil Origins. Unbelievable presentation today. Okay, sige, we will let you take photos. At this point, siguro I'd like to call it we have Mr. Celso Keith. Can I call it the two directors as well to join for the photo op? And of course, our three writers, including JP Abellera, to complete the official photo op. This is so grand! Nice to see you. Oh my God, man, I did Reyes. Woo! So Richard Gutierrez is finally back on the big screen. At syempre, Francine Diaz and, introduce ko na, and Seth Madeline. Dustin Yu! Wow. tuloy lang tayo. Huwa ko na. Di ba pwede ba? Okay. I understand naman na the excitement. Sige, Mr. Rejoin your cast there. Will not, hindi natin matatagalin. We have seen the teasers, the trailer. Today is even more exciting as we unveil. And the rest is Pam. Sige. Okay, order! We encourage everyone to please use the official hashtags. That is the managers. Okay. I think Miss Manilyn needs what's this now? Influencers, as we begin with our hello Mel. Okay, I guess that we will turn that off later on. Okay yan, we're good. Oo. Sige na, settle down na tayo. We will begin. Ang dami-dami natin. Energy. Wala pang bang energy this afternoon? Okay, settle down everyone. Security, please settle it. I-clean na natin yung front of stage. Okay, can you turn that? Okay, this is the exciting part na ating event today. This is the official
Dito! Yaman! Halik ka na si...
Yung mga nasa harap po, clear na natin. Thank you, Kuya. Clear na natin. We have enough footage na rin naman. Okay, fans, settle down. And now, kasigawan, please. This is the part we will respect kasi this is important kasi magtatanong ng ating mga members of the media. Konting katahimikan na po dito sa theater. Kasasabi lang, di ba? Okay. We have to we need to respect this part. This is the part where the media friends natin is participating, ha? Baba na ng audio ng BTR. Because effort na ako, ha?
Ashley!
Si ano? Asan na si... Wala si Jonel, ha? Si Cinema Bravo.
Okay. So ito na. Before the Q&A, I'd like to thank our sponsors for today. Thank you, Randy's Donuts. Thank you. Thank you, our official venue for today. This is Gateway Mall. Thank you so much for accommodating us this afternoon. And of course, Dr. Alvin. For our loot bags for today. Yeah, even for the cast members, we prepared Randy's Donuts for everyone. Okay, so at this point, hindi ko na patatagalin. I understand the excitement, everyone's excitement. So at this point, okay, clear natin kasi there's people in the back. Now, we need, please, this will be the last time I will appeal to you. Quiet po tayo while the press people are engaging with our actors. Please. The first set of questions will come from the entertainment editor of the Philippine Star, Miss Natalie Tomada. Kung sino tatanungin po niya, you may greet na rin personal ang ating mga members of the media and the fans as well. Go, Miss Nat, hi! course, anyone, we na-pick up na rin naman natin yung mga magandang sinabi ni Mr. Sel, Sir Keith, and the creatives and director. We will still entertain questions, of course, if you need to ask Mr. Sel and the other cast. Go ahead, Miss Natalie.
Okay. My first question is for Mr. Sel and Attorney Keith. Okay. Ma'am, pwede bang malaman yung process ng pagpili ng creatives at saka yung cast? Like, how challenging was the process? You mentioned earlier, 2 years in the making itong film na to. Thank you.
Some questions for our CEO and President, Mr. Sel. Miss Natalie, no? Kailan ba ganito kaganda at kagagawa po ang cast natin?
How are you able to pull off this casting coup?
Paano nga ba, Natalie? Alam mo, sa totoo lang, mahirap i-achieve. Mahirap talaga i-achieve na magkaroon ng napakagaling cast at saka nag-cross sa different generations. Diba? Mane, bata pa si Mane, 5 years. When you started, you were sitting on top of the dining table in the house of my mom. Okay, pero natutuwa ako kasi syempre from the heart, pinili namin itong mga artista. Syempre basing from the expertise nila. Diba? So, at saka yung saan ba sila bagay? Sino bang babagay dito sa character mo? So yun talagang unang-una namin criteria. Kung sino talaga babagay dito sa character mo to. At magagampanan na napaka